It's been 1 month we're not take video because Leon had fever before. It's cold pneumonia. For 1 month, he is not good. He lay in the bed and he not eat yet good. And right now, it's our first time to go to walking street again, and Leon will gonna show again the walking street. Even he is not good yet. But for our subscriber, we try to go to walking street and take video.
So now I am already better, I can walk, a little bit tired of course, so I cannot walk so long distance. But I think every day I can slowly walk and show to you Angeles City. About Georgi now same in Mabalakat, he live in the same apartment because I cannot help him to move to another new place. I hope he can find now a place, new apartment, and I will move him. I will show in the video. 1 week ago, I know one stand-up comedian was killed in the Angeles bar. I don't know which bar, in Balibago, Walking Street, Red Street, or maybe another place, or Koreatown, I don't know. About Shira work, she already not work because she stay with me. She resigned from McDonald's and she staying home with me now, help me.